All right, I hope everybody can hear me okay. If everything went okay, I'm now sharing my screen and you hopefully can hear me. I would like to go through the Cleary University Library APA 7 help that I've been talking about. Just in case you didn't know where it's at, you scroll down to the Cleary University Library, you click on that, and you see the big banner says Cleary University Library. Underneath that, you see a bunch of tabs. You see home, writing in APA, databases, and so forth. Well, we want to click on the second one, writing in APA. Once you click on it, it takes you to this page about learning APA. On here, you have a APA 7 student paper template. You can open this up and download it. And every time you have to write a paper, you can use this as a template. It will allow for you to have the formatting correctly, the cover page correctly. It really does help. I've used templates quite a bit over the last number of years, and it really makes it simple. Next that you see a sample APA 7 student paper. You open that and you open it. Once you open it up, it's going to have a sample paper. But what you're looking at are the way that the citations are done, the quotations, the paraphrasing, and the reference section. It can give you a lot of guidance into how your papers and your projects and discussion boards should look when it comes to APA 7. Now, there is some formatting issues with the discussion board. You can't do the indent and the italics that APA 7 requires. So just don't worry about those in the discussion boards. You come down lower, you scroll down lower, it says research format. And let's say you want to look up a article from ProQuest. You want to use an article from ProQuest. Well, you tap on that and it gives you the example of if it's written by two authors, shows you how to do it, what needs to be in italics, what needs to be in regular. And just remember that this right here, the architectural design, comma 89, that's all in italics. Everything else is in regular font for a journal article. Let's say you have a journal article with one author, it has that covered here. Then it gives you step-by-step directions for doing the citation, the reference entry. So let's look at here a web page because that's going to look different. So it gives you the example right here. You put the title in italics, the source, the name of the web page in regular font, and you include a stable link. It takes you through step by step. Okay, now for your citations, for that web page, you click on here, it's going to show you how to cite it. It gives you examples of parenthetical. Okay, it gives you examples of narrative. And the difference there is the parenthetical, your whole citation goes inside the parentheses. So this will be Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, comma 2018, and that's your citation. Narrative, you'd say the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, in parentheses, you put 2018, and then you continue with your sentence. And so this right here just gives you a good idea of where to find those resources at Cleary and how to use them. And honestly, looking through this, you're going to see a lot of good stuff, good information for you to use. Here's this right, report or gray literature. Okay, this can include press releases, codes of ethics, grants, policy briefs, and others. So if you get a source and you're like, what do I use? You can look through here and it gives you plenty of different options. Now, there's many more than these. And for that, I recommend going to Purdue OWL. Let's see if I can pull that up. Purdue OWL. Of course, I mistyped it. Why wouldn't I? Right here, owl.purdue.edu. And I've used this many times, and it has APA guide right here. And it takes you through, and it has in-text citations. It's got the reference list, basic rules. It takes you through all the different electronic sources that you want to use. If you're going to use author or authors, articles, periodicals, magazines, newspapers, books, audiovisual, legal references. I've had to use those before. So Purdue helps with that, okay? I just wanted to kind of show you some of the basics that just want to show you some of the basics with APA and how the resources at Cleary University and the library are very beneficial. And if you can't find your answer there, there's always the OWL with Purdue. I hope this helps. It's a short video. Thank you for watching.